Do you struggle setting up muting on site? How many hours have you wasted? What if there was an easy and simple solution? Well, my name is Martin, I'm here at LC Automation, and I'm here to introduce the DMM4 Muting Module by SICK. Here's the challenge. Muting issues don't normally reveal themselves until you're on site, under pressure, and normally with the customer breathing down your neck. This is where you need a dynamic, configurable muting system which is easy to use, simple to install, but adaptable enough to create a safe and robust muting system. A badly configured muting system can lead to costly downtime and wasted hours. This is where the DMM4 comes in. The DMM4 has M12 simple connectivity. It has a powerful software tool, Safety Designer, to support it, and it allows the flexibility to program your muting directly at the application. So if you want to know more about the DMM4, check the comments below to find out how you can revolutionize your muting.